continuing on from dealing with estimates and rounding, and now we're going to go into addition. Go ahead and write down this title. What is addition? You have been talking about addition since first grade, if not kindergarten even. We should have lots of experience with addition. What is addition? What do you know already about addition? Hopefully something. John, what do you know about addition?
It's like math.
It is involved in math, sure. Braylon, what do you know about addition? Okay, so we hear words with addition like add. Yep. What else do we know about addition? Heidi, what do you know about addition?
They always take like almost two sums and put them together, and then that would be the answer.
Okay, so I'm hearing things like put together. What else do we know about addition? Zach, what do you know about addition?
Like you can divide and subtract.
With addition? Not with addition. Nope. Michael, what do you know about addition?
It's kind of like hiding, but if you put these two together,
Okay. Always? Michael, does that always happen? If I say, Macklin, what's 2 plus 0? Am I going to get a different number?
No.
Gia, what do you know about addition? Okay, what do you mean by that? No, you don't go down, you only go up part. What do you mean by that? Okay, what do you mean by you only go up, not down? Like, I don't see numbers going up and down. What are we talking about? Cole, what do you think you know?
So addition is where you only go up or stay on the number you are on. You never go down. Like you can never get a lower number than you have.
What do you mean by go up? Think about where numbers live. Tatum? They do live on a number line. So what do I mean? What are we meaning when I say we're only going up?
You're going up on the number.
Yeah, we're going forward. Right? We're going forward on our number line. Addition has special math symbols. Everything is a symbol. All of our letters are symbols. We just figured out that those letters mean certain things. In math, we have symbols, and in order to understand math, we have to know how to speak math. Math is another language. You are learning another language right now. Congratulations. So if you feel like math is really hard, it's because you don't know the language yet. We're going to work together to learn that language. There's a symbol in math that means addition. It's an action to do something with addition. What's that symbol look like? I know for a fact you've seen it. Kaden? Plus. Looks like this. You've seen that symbol, yes? You probably sometimes call that symbol plus. Have you called that symbol plus before? No. Zach?
Sometimes it can be like double it,
What do you mean by that?
like 2 plus 2 is 4.
Sure. Caleb?
I think they say like add.
Mm-hmm.
Addition has the word
Add is a verb. It's an action, right? I can add. Whereas addition is a noun. It's the thing I'm doing. So that's why we see those two changes, but they basically mean the same thing. So far, so good?
Yeah.
We're good with that? No, not one teacher. All right. Underneath, let's make a new subtitle. If you need more space, you can go to the next page, but you probably have enough space. I want you to write this question. It says, how do I read the equation? And then I've got some symbols. Mackenzie, we're writing. Mac, we're writing. John, we're writing. Because remember I told you, math is another language. So we have to learn how to speak math in order to understand math. This word, equation, sometimes referenced as a number sentence. You guys heard of a number sentence? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Usually those two are synonyms. They mean the same thing, equation and number sentence. An equation is anything with an equal sign, because you hear it, equal. You hear the equal. That's how you know it's an equation. All right, what does this symbol right here mean? What does that symbol right there mean? Those aren't letters. What is that? Tegan? What? It is a number. What does it say? It says 24. Okay, we got the first symbol down. We figured out that means the value 24. 24 things. 24 dollars. 24 Roblox. 24 Legos. 24 something. Now we've got this next symbol. Now a lot of you, when you read that, say plus.
plus.
No, a lot of you say that. That's what you say. But that doesn't really mean anything. What's a plus? That doesn't have a meaning. So instead of saying plus, we're going to use a word that means to combine. And if I say me and Zach, are we going together? Yeah, we've combined together. If I say this pencil and this pencil, and I mean both of them. I'm combining them. That word and talks about joining things together. All right? What does this symbol? What does that symbol mean? I see lots of hands. That's not a trick question. Madison? 35. No. Let's talk talk about that symbol. What does that symbol mean? John? It is the equal symbol. What does that mean?
It's basically a thing where you tell you that the answer and after that.
No, the equal sign does not mean that the answer comes next. That is not what the equal sign means. Rylan, what's the equal sign mean?
It means like make something. Like
It's an action.
yeah, like it makes.
Equal sign's not an action. Nope. Colby?
There's two meanings.
No, there's one meaning for it, but okay. Go ahead and tell me what you think.
The one of the equal meanings are like, say you like in kindergarten we did this thing called a hungry alligator or something, and the teacher would say there's a amount of cookies on one side and a amount of cookies on another, and she said which one is the biggest. But if they were the same, she put an equal sign. And then the other equal meaning is like 24 plus 35 equals another number.
So what does that mean?
You're adding them together.
So you're telling me it's an action? It's not an action. Mackenzie, what does that mean?
It equals a number.
Nope. You can't use the definition, the word in the definition, right? Equal means it equals. Doesn't help me. Kaden, what's the equal sign mean?
It makes it broken.
Nope. Well, yes, but no. It has to be there. It's like a period. It has to be there. So what does it mean? Heidi, what's the equal sign mean?
Means like 1 plus 1. If you add those together, you get 2. So it's like the sum.
Let me offer you this idea. Underneath this, I want you to draw 4 quarters. Yep, 4 quarters. These are my 4 quarters.
Oh, that's a dollar.
What is that equal to? Because you just told me it means the answer comes next. What's the answer to 4 quarters? There is no answer. That doesn't make any sense. Is there an answer if I say 4 quarters? Is there an answer to that? No, but I have an equal sign. A couple of you told me it means that you add something up. You get an answer. 4 quarters. What's the answer? There is no answer. That doesn't make any sense. You're not adding anything. But Colby, I heard you say that 4 quarters does equal something. What did you say, Colby? $1. How'd that work? Those look different. Those feel different. They smell different. They taste different. How in the world does my equal sign go there? How does that happen? Kaden?
Because
Zach,
each quarter equals 25 cents, and if you add 4 quarters on 25 4 times, and $1 is 100 cents, and all those 4 quarters equal 100 cents is $2.
Is it the same thing?
Yeah, kind of.
Is it the same thing?
No.
If I hold $1 and I hold 4 quarters, are those the same thing?
No. Yeah. They're the same amount.
They're the same amount. That's not what I'm saying.
Oh.
Are they the same thing?
No.
Madison, are they the same thing? Get with me. No. They are not the same thing. A lot of teachers have done you dirty. Not by purpose. They are not trying to. But a lot of people, adults included, think that the equal sign means the same thing. 4 quarters is very different in my pocket than a dollar. Carl, you got quarters in the envelope for book fair? You got dollars?
I got
Dollars. Imagine what that would feel like if it was full of quarters. Is that the same thing? No. But Colby said, hey, it's the same amount. We give that a special word. Kaden, do you think you know what it is? It is value. That equal sign means the same value. Another word that I want you to use, and if you don't want to use value, is you can say worth. So 4 quarters and a dollar are worth the same. They are not the same, but they have the same value. So our equal sign means the same, that is not Doppler, the same value as, it's worth the same amount as, what does this symbol mean? What does that symbol mean? You appear to be missing a lot of notes. I've written a whole lot down and you've written nothing. Get going. Ariana, what does that symbol mean?
So it goes after something like a question mark.
So I did use a question mark here, and you're right, it does go at the end of a sentence in English. But we're in math language. What does that symbol mean in math language? That last symbol. Tegan? Nope. Kaden?
Question?
Nope. Heidi?
Like, if you don't know something, you put that there.
It's a spot saver.
What?
Could I have written smiley face?
No.
Yes, I could have. It is a spot saver. A spot saver for what? A number. A number's gonna go there. I'm just saving its spot. This is just mystery number. I don't know that number yet. I know it's gonna be a number. It's just a mystery. I could have said 24 plus 35 equals triangle. That triangle is just saving its spot. A number is gonna go there. What do you think?
Is it like so like you see the area until you actually know what the answer is?
Yeah, it's a spot saver for the answer. If that's what the answer is gonna be. Kaden?
Did you have a question mark something
It could be box. Could be smiley face. Could be sun. Picture of a sun. Could be anything. So how do I read that equation in English? Someone read that equation to me in English. We just wrote it out in our notebook. Read that equation to me in English. Zach, you got lots of writing to do. Go for it, Mackenzie.
24 plus
That didn't say plus. Look at what it says.
24.
What's that symbol mean? We wrote it down.
24 and 35.
Nope, not equals. What's that mean? I need it in English. Equals is a math word. I need it in English. Keep going.
Mystery number.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Ariana, read that equation to me in English.
24 and 35, the same value as mystery number.
Yeah, we can add the word is in there. Is the same value as mystery number. Beautiful. Madison, read that equation to me.
24 and 35 equals.
Nope, not equals.
Mystery number.
Nope, is what? You're missing something about that equal sign.
The same as mystery number.
Not the same as.
The same value.
There you go. The same value as mystery number. Let's try another one. If you need to, yeah. Just write this equation down. Just write this equation down. Who thinks they can read that in English without writing anything down? You think you can figure it out? Can read it just like that in English? No math words? What you got? Zach, go for it.
356 and 223 is the same value as mystery number.
It's the same value as mystery number. Well done, air high five. Nailed it. Jalen, you want to give it a go?
But I have a question.
Go for it.
Instead of saying mystery number, can we say spot saver?
You can say spot saver. Yep. Go for it, Jalen.
356 and 223 is the same value as spot saver.
Beautiful. I'll let you shorthand it. 356. And 223 is worth the same amount as spot saver. You could put mystery number. We know a number is gonna go there. We're just saving a spot for it. So far, so good. Reading equations is my favorite because I believe, and I've done a lot of research on this, that once you guys understand what the equation is saying, you can do any problem. Any of them. As long as you know in English what it means, you can do anything. Carl, you got a question?
What about the minus?
We're gonna get to minus. Let's just stick with addition for right now. We're gonna spend a little bit of time with addition. We will get to subtraction, aka our minus, and it does have special language, right? Just like our addition sign. But let's one step at a time, Carl. Rylan, do you have a question? Oh man. Write that down. What? 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 What is happening? It's not that tricky if you think about what all the symbols mean. A lot of you are saying it's backwards. It's not backwards. Just looks a little different. Not backwards. Just looks a little different. What does it say in English? What does this say in English? Okay, Jaden, what does that say?
Mystery number is the same value as
You're missing a number.
789 plus
And I'll take plus.
and 460.
Beautiful. Who else can read it in English? Jaden just did it. Huxley, give it a go.
700.
Nope. Start at the beginning. What's that symbol?
Spot saver.
If you don't remember, look back in your notebook. We wrote it down.
Is worth the same amount as 789 and 465.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Spot saver or mystery number. It is the same value, same worth as 789 or 65. You guys are reading your first math sentences. It's so cool. I love it. You're killing it. Love to see it. Love to see it. Go be with us? Okay, make sure. We spent a little time reading equations. We'll spend a little bit of time talking about how to say equations every time. Now I want to talk about what does it look like. Either make a subtitle or a new page. What does 57 and 46 is worth the same amount as spot saver look like? You're writing that question down. That is either your new title or a new subtitle. You kind of decide what kind of space you're working with.
So hard.
You'll be all right. Madison, where do numbers live? They live on a giant number line, living their best life on that number line. We're going to use a number line to help us combine these two values. Go ahead and draw a number line. When I'm starting my number line and I'm adding, I'm going to start with one of my values, one of the numbers I have to add with. The first number in my equation is 57, so I'm going to write that down. Let's start at 57. Now, 46 is not going to be past 57. So what is this adding going to look like on a number line? Did you add on a number line in second grade? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes. Tegan, what did you do? You found 57, and then what did you do with the 46? What did you do with that 46? Mike, what did you add on a number line last year? Some of the time. What did you do with that 46? I'd start at 46? Do what? What do you mean by that? 46 is the number of jumps forward. If I'm starting at 57, I need to do 46 jumps forward. That's a lot of jumps. 46 jumps forward. Now, we're not going to jump one big jump of 46, but I can jump friendlier numbers. What are some friendlier numbers that I could jump? 46 is not friendly. John? 4? 5? I could jump 5. Can you think of a bigger friendly number? Because I got to go 46. I'm asking you, like what? I got it. 10. 10 would be a good one. All right, let's jump 10. John, when I jump 10, what number am I at now? 67. Have I gone 46 jumps yet? No, I've only gone 10. Now what? Now what? Tegan? Another 10. Where am I at now, Tegan? 77. Mackenzie, now what? Another 10. Where am I at now, Mackenzie? 87. Gio, now what?
15.
Nope, 15's not a friendly number. We went over friendly numbers in time. Ariana, friendly number? 10. Ariana, where am I at now? 97. How far have I gone? How far forward have I gone on my number line? Zach? 40. I have gone 40. I need to go 46. We got a couple of options here. I could do a jump of 5, but notice I'm at 97. I'm really close to another friendly number. What friendly number am I really close to? I'm at 97. Madison? I'm really close to 100. How far away am I from 100? 3. Let's go ahead and do those 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm at a friendly number of 100. How far have I gone? How far up that number line have I gone? Heidi?
43.
43, but I need to go.
46.
So how much more do I need? Let's do another jump of 3. 1, 2, 3. What number am I at now, Heidi?
110.
When I start at 56 and I add on 40, start at 57 and I add on 46, what is that worth? What were those two numbers smushed together worth? I went 56 hops and then I went 57 hops and I went 46 more hops. What is that worth? Carl? 103. Look, you don't have to write, but look, 57 and 46. Those two combined is worth, not a spot saver, it's worth 103. Does that make sense? If I have 57 cupcakes and I add 46 more cupcakes, I'm going to have a total, a value of 103 cupcakes. So far, so good? You ready to try another one?
No.
That was a rhetorical question. Ooh, crazy looking. Go ahead and write that question down. Subtitle or title? down. We got plenty of space, baby. We need to start using all that room. We got all this, and all this.
This is my fourth one on one page.
Awesome. Someone read to me that equation. That looks crazy. Read to me that equation. Mackenzie 7 is with a sharpener. Go ahead, Carl. Give it your best shot.
Spot saver. The same value as 73 and 21.
Y'all hear that, genius?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Air high five. Nailed it. Yeah, we've got some mystery number is worth 73 and 21. Let's pop out a number line. We know they're living here. I'm going to start with 73. I've already gone 73 jumps. I zoomed right on over to 73. Could I have started at 0? Yeah, and zoomed all the way up to 73. It would have taken forever, but I could have done it. Now I need to add on 21. What am I going to do first? Mac, what do you want to do? Okay, go for it. Then, where am I at now, Mac? I was at 73, and you jumped 10 forward, so now I'm at. Yes, you do. You can count. You got 10 fingers. Mac. 73. 74. 'It out. Being independent. Solving these problems. You can do it. What else do I do? What's next? John? Another 10 jump.
I did a 0, 1.
Where am I going to be at now? 93.
Let's start with a 0.
Okay. Now what? Do you know? 1. Where am I at now? Where's 94 going to go? I have a spot for it. Where is it going to go? Ariana? It's going to go in place of that spot saver. It's not going to say question mark anymore. It's going to say 94 is worth 73 plus 21. All right, we're going to stop here. Go ahead.